Man, good evening. Did you did you sleep?
Hello, teacher.
Did you sleep? Man?
No.
Oh no, you did not. Okay, probably you went somewhere. I see. Okay, so not a problem at all. Let me share my screen, and we will start by checking your answer last meeting, Miss. Okay, so here it is. For a moment, let me get my pen first. Okay. Yes, we can see in the picture that is not wearing a hat. That is right. Okay, very good. Oh, there you have it now. Okay, he's not wearing a coat nor he. Okay, sweater. Yes, he's not wearing a sweater. He's not wearing a sweater. But in here, man, this is a coat, not a sweater, man. That's why you put a tick here already. So this one, it should be a cross. Okay, it should be a cross. They are not wearing sweaters, man. They're only wearing coats. Okay, they're wearing coats. Now let us proceed to the next one. We have here, he is wearing, mm-hmm, okay, yes, not a boots and not a boot. Okay, shorts. Yes, he's wearing shorts. How did you? How can you say that he's wearing shorts, man? It's a skirt, right? It's a skirt, so it should be cross. Okay, he's wearing a skirt, not a short. Now in here, man, he is not wearing a he's not wearing shorts too. He is wearing jeans. Okay, so it's across as well. Okay, so next one is a check. Okay, so sneakers, man. Sneakers. Wait, it could be a check. And this one, she is wearing. Okay, for t-shirt, yes, she is. Okay, yes, very good. And the last one, why did you say check? He is not wearing a dress, man. He's not wearing a dress, so it could be a cross. Okay, he's not wearing a dress either. This is a skirt, a t-shirt, and a blazer. Okay, so it's a cross. Okay, so the rest is correct. See, that is it for this one, Meng. It's just actually easy. It's just that last time you answered this one too quickly. Okay, so that is why. Now, let me stop sharing and let me share my screen again, and we'll proceed now to your book, Meng. So we'll have, okay, page 39 now. So let us have this. Can you tell me, Meng, what's this? What
Sweater.
is it? A
Hat.
sweater? Yes, it is a hat. What about the second one?
Sweater.
Is it a sweater?
Sweater.
No, it's not a sweater, Meng. It's not a
Boots.
sweater.
Boots.
It's not boot. It's
Go.
a coat. Yes. Okay, what about for three? What's this? What's this? We have okay, we're done with coat and hat. So two options left now. What do you think? What is it, man?
Sabitan.
Yes, it is a sweater. And this one, what are these? Last picture, Meng. What are these? These
Boot.
are boots. Very good, Meng. That's correct. So now let us have another set of activity. And here you have to make a question and of course answer the question. For example, if she wearing a sweater? No, she isn't. Now what about for the next one, Meg? Can you complete it? Can you complete this? What do you think, Meg?
Yes.
Is
He's still wearing a coat.
okay, yeah. Is she wearing a coat?
Yes, he is.
Very good. Yes, yes. What about for two? Can you complete that? Good timing.
It he wearing he wearing boots.
Is she wearing boots, Meg?
Yes.
Is it yes?
No, he isn't.
Very good. No, he isn't. Okay, next one. What about this, Meg? What are you eating, Meg? What are you eating? Why did you suddenly stop eating?
And he wearing a hat.
Is he wearing
Yes,
a hat?
he is.
Very good. Okay, so now let's proceed in here. Okay, so look at the table given, Meng, and answer the following questions. Is he wearing shoes and socks? Is he wearing shoes and socks? Look at the table.
No, he isn't.
Is it no? Why? Why did you say no? See,
He
he is
said
wearing
he isn't.
and shoes. Okay, so it's yes, yes. Now, is he wearing a hat and boots? Is he wearing a hat and boots?
He wearing a hat and boot. Yes, he is.
Why did you say yes, Meng? He's
No,
only
she isn't.
yes, no, she isn't because as you can see, yes, he is wearing a hat, but he's not wearing boots. Okay, so no, she isn't. Now, is he wearing a sweater and pants?
Đang học.
What's your answer, Meng? he wearing a sweater and pants? Is he
Uh, no, he isn't.
wearing a t-shirt
Then
and
she
shorts?
isn't. Ah, then
Okay,
she is. Then
very
she
good. Okay, so that's all it for our class tonight, Meng. So enjoy the rest of your night with your family. Goodbye, Meng.